Line charts in Excel are also known as line graphs and run chart. They are very simple but very powerful. We use line charts to show changes over time or trends over time. In this video, I'll tell you about the line charts, how we can create it and how we can use it in the combination or combo charts. So let's get started. A line graph can include a single line for one dataset or multiple lines to compare two or more sets of data. It can also be used in the combination of other types of charts, mostly with bar and column charts. Let's cover all these scenarios. In this data, we have years and the ice creams sold in each year. Let's plot a line chart for this data. Select your data, go to Insert, click on Recommended Charts, and here it will show you the types of charts you can create for your data. We have line, column, pie and area charts. Let's select the line chart and click OK. In the x-axis or horizontal axis, you have the years, and in y-axis or vertical axis, you have numbers of ice cream sold. And this blue line tells you how the sales of ice creams are going over years. Another way of creating this chart is, let me delete it first. Just select the chart area and press delete. Now select your data, go to Insert. Here you can see multiple chart options. This icon represents line chart. Click on it. Here you have 2D line option, 3D line, 2D and 3D area. We need 2D line. Now here you need to do few of the things. This blue line represents year and we do not need it. So just select on this line and press delete. In the x-axis or horizontal axis, you do not have years. Instead, you have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me do Ctrl Z to undo my last action. We can do all these changes from right mouse click on chart, go to select data, or you can also get this window from this filter icon and then go to select data. Here we do not need blue line which is representing years, so just uncheck it from here. In the right side we have horizontal axis labels which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we want to change them. So click on edit and here select the range which you want to show and OK and OK. Now you have years in the horizontal axis. Let's beautify our chart a little bit. Click on this plus icon, remove grid lines, remove legends, add data labels. Now we also do not need this vertical axis, so just highlight it and delete. You can also change and format your chart title. So let's bold it and give a different color. You can also do any other formatting which you want. Now we can see that there is a lot of space between this horizontal axis and the line. We have to make this line closer to it. For that we need to change the scales of vertical axis. To get the vertical axis again, which we have deleted, click on the chart, chart design, add chart element, axis, primary vertical. You will get your axis again. Now if you see, the difference is 500 in the scales. It is starting with 0, then 500, then 1000, then 1500 and so on. Instead of starting the axis with 0, let's start the axis with 1500 because all my values are greater than 1500, or you can also choose 2000 because all the values are even greater than 2000. Let's do it by double clicking on the chart to get this window. Select this vertical axis and then go to this icon, area options. Here minimum write 1500 instead of 0. Press enter and see the changes in the chart. It is now starting with 1500. The gap is still more. We can change it to 2000. This is better. To change the difference of scales, which is now 100, You can do it from here, let's say 200. Press enter and this is how it will look like. We can now delete this vertical axis. To remove this border line of the chart, click on the chart, go here and choose no line border. You can also change the color of this line. Just select the axis, go to this option, color, and you are done. One more thing, this number is overlapping with the line. Let's adjust this. Just select it all alone and move, and now you are done. Let's add one more series to our chart. We have one more product, chocolate, and its sales across all years. To add this to our line chart, right mouse click on the chart, go to select data, click on add. Now this is asking for a series name. I will write here chocolate. In series values, delete the already written series and select your series which you want to add. Click OK. Your series will display here and it is selected. Click OK. Now you have two lines here. One is for ice cream product and one is for chocolate product. You can change this line color. Double click on it. Go to this icon. Change the color from here. And you can also align your data labels in a way that they do not overlap with each other. You can also add the markers to your line chart. Select on the line, go to this option, go to markers, marker options, select built-in and choose the icon from drop down. Change the color of markers which matches the line from here. You can also adjust the size of your markers and it will look like this. Now let's make a combo chart. Instead of two line charts, you can have one column chart and one line chart. Right mouse click, select change chart type, go to combo and here it will show you the combination. You can change your chart type for ice cream and chocolate both from here. Let's adjust the data labels. They look distorted. So double click, select data labels of column chart, go to this option, label position, inside and now this looks good.